Hello fellow traders and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. My name is Simon and today we are here with our brand new signal, which this signal is going to be on XAUUSD aka gold, a commodity. So as always, with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see, the buyer side has the same power as the seller side. And unfortunately for this week's news, I don't see so much of an important news. So what we have to do here is to forget about all of these news here because they have actually no impact on the price. And today's signal on this commodity is going to be a sell signal because I have seen some weaknesses in the actual technical perspective. So let's head to the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The purple zone shows a level that actually held a lot of money right above it. The market has gathered all this money from up here and started to fall down. This is the weakness that I actually witnessed through this week. So the blue area is the area that you have to open up your trade if the price actually retraces back to the upside for a correction, then it will fall down. These green areas actually hold money, so they are good places for us to actually aim our targets. So with no more time to waste, as always, what I want from you guys is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you. Enjoy. Okay, that's it for today's signal. I hope you have enjoyed. I just wanted to end the video like this. Successful Forex traders don't chase profits, they manage risk. Have a good day and peace.